I'll just show you quickly how to pair your mobile. So into settings, into Bluetooth, watch out at the bottom, onto the phone here you've got audio, phone, nav. So if I click phone there, it's showing up a phone, but you've got search new, so we'll click search new. Vehicle to device, we'll just watch out for it here. Thinking about it, turn the fan down and the heater as well, a bit warm in here. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro there showing up, so we'll click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 1876, 1876, pair, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow, phone paired, so that's it done. Also, now you've done that, what you can do, if you go to your music, let's just see, recently downloaded, we'll have Spider-Man, so we'll click on that, so that's playing now. Anything that comes, any sound that's coming off my phone, if this is set up properly, will come through the speakers, and it's Meridian speakers all around, so it's a brilliant system. So we go to audio video, that's showing a disc, what we need to do there, and sometimes that plus won't show up, so you just have to click on anything, and then the next time you click back on this screen, source and plus, onto source and plus, and then we want my phone there, and then we'll turn this up. So great record, great sound system, and that's it. It's as easy as that to set up. If you want to delete a phone while you're in this menu, in the phone menu, if you just go to change phone there, and then you can see you can delete there. My phone's connected, so it's not allowing me to delete, but if I deleted the connection there, I could knock it off completely. Sat nav, click nav. Now destination entry there, we want address or postcode is best, and then we're Grosvenor Garage, oops, I've pressed the wrong one, brilliant, no, delete that. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR5. The Land Rover system is only 2 digits, but the Land Rover system will pick 2 digits up. Some you have to put a space in. PR54E A, that's it, click OK, and then go.
Guidance will start when you join the highlighted route.
So that's it. It's a really simple system in the Land Rovers and Range Rovers. And the other great thing about this is if you get near to your house and you don't want to speak in any directions anymore, you click on home menu and then there, cancel guidance, and that's it done. Here we go.